Yes, how many knows the Java? Everyone knows Java, or little bit.
No, sir, I don't know Java.
Sir, Java is object-oriented programming language.
Used to develop mobile apps, web apps, and desktop apps and games.
And why use Java? Why is Java is better than C or C++?
C and C++,
Can you pardon?
C and C++ machine level language. Java is a high level language. Coding C and C++ coding is difficult. Java more easy.
Yeah, and Java is platform independent, right? We can run it anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, so let me share the screen and the PPT as well. Introduction about the Java. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the basic slides. So you
Yes.
can see. Okay. So first of all, we have to make a class, right, in Java. So first of all, who is this class for? First of all, what is Java? So Java is a popular programming language created in 1995. First of all, okay. Java is a popular programming language created in 1995, and it is owned by Oracle, as you know that. Java or JDK.
Yes.
If you don't have JDK, then you cannot run in Java in your command line or in your command prompt or any other IDE or something. I will come to the IDE, and it is owned by Oracle, and more than 3 billion devices run Java. Can you imagine that? How popular is Java? And basically, it is used for mobile applications that you already told that. Maybe you can build desktop applications using Java. Using Java, you can learn the Spring Boot technology in the backend, and it is web applications. And that's web application you can learn from Java, and it's web server and application server, and it's games. Even also games and apps, and we can add JDBC connection, Java database connectivity, let's go database connection. And the most can you tell what is the most popular database connection? I mean, can you name some example of database softwares?
Sir, MySQL.
Yeah, MySQL, Workbench, Glassfish, right? Where we can store the data.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you store or get the data, where we can get the data? From where we can get the data? We can get data from the database, from MySQL Workbench database, right? Or we can post the data. So where we can post the data? In the database. If I close the program, then what? Then what happens? If the program closed, then the memory of the system will lost.
Yes, sir.
Then how will retrieve the data if we don't store anywhere? So that's basically the storage system is database, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So first is, who is this class? There is no assumption that you know any Java or any object-oriented programming language. Okay, so we will not spend very much time on syntax operators. So next is history of Java. As I already told you, first version released in 1995, and there are 8 versions. First is JDK 1.0 1996. It is called JDBC. JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. Basically, that is for distributed objects, and Java cannot run without the objects. And JDK 1.0 is released in 1997. It's called new event model. And next is J2SE, that is J2 standard edition, that is 1.2. 1998, that is for suite. And next is 1.3. Next 1.4, these are the versions as you can see. And the next is after that, in that we have Java 8. We have Java 8 version, right? Okay, that is the history of Java. First is a principle of Java. It is simple, object oriented. Without the object, we cannot handle any program. We cannot execute any program without the object. It is familiar. Because Java program can run anywhere. It doesn't complex. It is robust and secure. And it is architecture neutral and portable. And it is executed with high performance, and it is interpreted. We can interpret this threaded and dynamic. If you say multi-thread and
Sir,
dynamic,
your voice is disturbed a lot.
yeah, maybe a network issue, I think.
No, sir, one more's mic is on. Sangeeta Basak.
Okay. Sangeeta, can you mute yourself? Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Okay, it's architecture neutral and portable, executed with high performance, and it's interpreted, threaded and dynamic. These are the 5 design principles of Java. If you go to any Java based interview questions, then the interviewer will ask you that what are the 5 design principles of Java? Why we use Java basically? These are the points, these are the answers.
Sir, can I ask the question?
Yes.
Sir, what is the meaning of architecture neutral?
Architecture neutral means Java is basically, if you see the inner meaning of the program or inner meaning of that Java program, it is very easy, right? So that's why it's portable and architecture neutral. Basically, the one sentence means portable and architecture neutral means you can handle it very easy. And Java, and if you put the data in the database, and if you put the data in the database, and if you make web pages HTML and CSS with the Java, you can make community websites with the Tomcat server. Java is easily handle the Tomcat server. That's why it is architecture neutral and portable. It is okay. That's why it is called architecture neutral and portable. Okay, so what next slide is what is an mismatch? And basically, compared to C, Java is a relatively high level language, many built-in features, and it has multi-threading system, writing distributed programs, writing GUI clients, user interface, error handling, that means exception handling. If you write any wrong code in the Java, then you can handle it. Extending web server, we can add web server in Java. That's why I told you that's called Tomcat server. And embedded programs web browser, we can show the JSP page or JSP page as the output through web browser. JSP servlet menu and connecting to commercial databases. As I told you, you put the data or store the data in the database. Okay. Okay, next slide is what is Java versus C? Java has many core language features that make it much more neutral to express abstraction, develop software frameworks, and also many core language features which easily debugging and promote use. Okay, can you say anyone what is the difference between Java and C? Anyone?
Java
Sir, in
has states and class, whereas C don't have states and class.
Yeah, and
Sir, in Java, instances are also present, but in C, there is no concept of instances.
And anyone?
Sir, in Java, it is not possible to make a function which is not a member of any class.
So basically,
Java does not support pointer. Java supports pointer and C does not support pointer. Sorry, sorry.
Java supports OOP.
And Java does not support pointer.
yeah. And anyone say
Java support OOP. C not.
that means object-oriented program, object-based programming, right? Java.
The level language and the level language.
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
So
Sir, C,
Java is a high level language and C is a middle level language.
Say that.
Sir, Java is basically data oriented, and sir, C is more like procedure oriented.
C
C
does
is
not
only
support threading
compiler,
and
but
Java supports threading in features.
sir, C is only compiler, but Java is compiler plus interpreter also, both.
Yes.
Sir, C is a procedural programming language and Java is object-oriented programming language.
Okay. So basically, the differences are C is a procedural programming language, as you see, whereas Java is an object-oriented language. C is a procedural programming language, and Java is an object-oriented language. And C is a middle-level language that you already told, and Java is a high-level language. And C does not support threading, right? C does not support threading, and on the other hand, Java has a feature of threading. That's called multi-threading. And C supports pointers, but Java does not support pointers. That we told. And the garbage collection of C is we have to handle it manually. You can say handle it or manage it manually, but in Java, is automatically managed by a garbage collector. Java has a garbage collector, right? And C offer support for call by web and call by reference, but Java only support call by web. That's the basic difference. Or you can say one point that in C language memory allocation can be done by malloc, while in Java memory allocation done by new keyword. Or you say if you create an object, then you have to use new keyword. We come in that part later. Okay, so compile and running a Java program. So you write the program. I don't recommend you to this to use it in the command prompt. I recommend you to always use one ID. So have you all has Eclipse ID in your system? So we can installing today now.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have?
No,
Okay,
sir.
okay, we can install. So first of all, here you already know that I think this create source code file. First of all, you have to write that code, and that code is called source code. Yeah, whatever you write, it's called source code. Okay, so let me open the Eclipse ID. Okay, so that is basically the ID, the software. So how I create one class. I name the class here hello world Java. This is basically the basic program. So first, how I create that class. So after installing this, your interface is like this, and you go to the file here.
Sir,
Yes.
so how to install the site?
Yeah, I can show you. Can you go to the file and then you go to the new. Go to the file and go to the new. I recommend you to always practice the Java program in one package. You know what is package? Package is the integration of class. Here I create one package, com space Java practice. Here, just like this. Go to the file, new, and if you create on class, then click class. If you create on package, create package. Here like this. If you create the package, you can give any name here. Or I give the name. Suppose give name. Then enter finish. Here I create one package, com Java practice campus 2. If you right click here on this, then go to new, then class. Write hello world. Just made it public. And you click this, there is the main method. So better to click this and you say finish. It is building that. Let's take some time. Yeah, it will build. Here you can see one. I have one class. Yeah. Let's remove this. Here public class hello world. One that I already give the name. It is a basically one class name. There is a package com Java practice and campus 2. And it's the main method. At this static environment still not. It will basically not run because I cannot print anything. Better to say it will delete this. You don't have to write system.out.println. You don't have to write in the IDE. You don't have to write system.out.println because it is a time waste. You just write SYSO, then is out. Enter this is automatically come. System.out.println. Right. If you write anything here, suppose I write hello campus team. And the next line I write let's say good afternoon. That two line I have to print, and this print will show here in that console. That is called console. That is called server. That I already told you. We add the server when we create the web-based application. That's the Tomcat server. Better not to worry about this right now. That is called console. So save this file. You can save this file from here. That is called save. or you can set this file control S. How do you run this? How do you run this program? So in this software, you can run this from here, from this class, and then run this. Here you can see one option, it's a run this. Run as Java, here's two options is coming, run on server and Java application. Better to say run on Java application. We are not running the server. If we use web browser or something, use JSP page or web-based application, then we use run server. Rather, guys, we have to say Java application. So here we have to use Java application. So if you click this, it will execute. You can see this here. It will print. Hello, campus team. Good afternoon. Welcome. What you write here in that print statement? It's called print statement. Comment any online. You can give this fashion. Just double slash and for your better understanding, you say that and you say that this is in method. You can comment this. These are the basically the comments. Double slash and you write whatever you like. You can then save this and you can run this. You can run it from here also and here also. Run. Here it run and you can also run this from here in the screen. Just right click on here. Run this Java application. Hello campus team and whatever you write, it will print it. Hello campus team 2 you can write. Whatever you write, you can see. There is the ID. You can update this ID. Install the software and integrate the software with ID. And if you install any software and attach with this ID, you can go to Eclipse Marketplace. Go to Eclipse Marketplace. And it will take some time. Basically, it will take some time. If you update that, update now, show updates. Java 18 support for Eclipse. You can install it from here. Eclipse Web Developer, Virtual Developer. You can use YesNav, Vertigo. We reference things if you need. We reference things is here. Whatever you can download it or install it from. You can directly click install and it will automatically configure it and reinstall. So let me close this. So you can run this from here also. You can run this from here. Basically, and you can run this from here and you can run this from here. This one. And you can create the class from here. You can create the any package. You can create package, or you can, if you create any project, you also create any project. This was Java. There's a Java project existing build file, Eclipse modeling framework, EJB, Gradle. There is different. There are two types of project. Right? Can anyone say what are the types of project Gradle and another types? Can anyone say that? There are two types of project Gradle and another is Maven. Maven. If you use Maven project, you simply type here Maven. Go for Gradle. Type of projects, Gradle project and Maven project. If you use Java project, then click here and say next. If you use Spring Boot technology, you can also, in this ID, you can also use Spring Boot technology. You can learn the Spring Boot technology. You can use dynamic web project. If you use any web-based application, if you build any web-based application, then you can go to for dynamic web project. Then you have to use the server. And you're basically your HTTP port in your local system, in your local laptop.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sometimes your voice is not audible at all.
Oh, I think the network is slow.
Yes, sir. Total huge latency was going on due to network.
So, what's this? Let's come to the slide. That's why we run the program. What are the observations? Observation is dot class file is not machine code. It is not the machine code. It's a source code. Whatever you write in that ID, whatever the program you do, it's called machine code. Not machine code. It's called source code. It's intermediate from called Java bytecode. But if you see the Java inert execution, first of all, whatever you write in that ID, that code is called Java source code. Then compiler transfer that code to the Java bytecode. Here you can see the bytecode. It is called bytecode, and it is also you can call intermediate code. And that bytecode is transformed into the machine language code or machine understandable code. It's called, and Java virtual machine JVM. There is an old-fashioned command line program. Java also supports GUI, graphical user interface applications, web browser hosted programs. It's called applet. And here we use browser and as well as server. Without the server, how can we run it? Okay, I think the first program I already told you that how. So next is coming to the ID. Okay, anyone does not have any ID, so you can share your screen. I can guide. Okay, come one by one. Okay, first of all, can you say the what is the okay? Come. What is the history of Java? Can you say what is the history of Java? How the Java programming comes and how is it popular?
So Java was earlier known as Oak programming language.
Yeah, actually, basically Java language initially called Oak. Originally, actually it is the tree, right? It's the oak tree. Originally, it was developed for handling portable devices and set-top boxes. And
Yes,
Oak was and if you see the O, the statistics of O, it is a massive failure. Massive failure it is. And then 1995, first Java introduced Sun Microsystems, right? Sun Microsystems. First comes Sun Microsystems, then Sun changed the name to Java.
Sir, are you presenting the screen?
The slide,
Yes, sir.
that slide.
Yes, sir. The slide. Are you presenting the slide?
I stopped actually.
Oh, no problem.
In 1995, Sun changed the name, that is Java, from Oak to Java, and modified the language to take advantage of the WWW, that basically called World Wide Web, for the development business actually. So first Sun Microsystems coming into the picture and change the name Oak from Oak to Java. And later in 2009, they need to go the developers terms. And then later in 2009, Oracle Corporation is coming. You all heard about the Oracle. Oracle Corporation can buy the Sun Microsystems. Oracle Corporation basically what to do? Buy the Sun Microsystems and put the ownership of 3 key Sun software asset, Java, MySQL, and Solaris. Oracle buy the Sun Microsystems and then Java, MySQL, and Solaris. So that is basically, and then I already told you that JDK 1.8, JDK 2.8, 3.0,
And 26 January.
Yeah. And now JDK 8, as you can see, Java version. So can you say what is the features of C? Anyone? What is the features of C language? Anyone? What is the features of C language? C language is a basically structured language. It is basically a structured language and it produces efficient programs. C is a basic and core computer programming language. And it is also portable and extensible programming language, small in size because it has only 32 keywords. It's making it easy to learn, actually.
It is portable also.
Yeah, it is portable also. Basically, just like the Java. And if you come to the features of Java, it is basically write code once and run it on almost any computing platform. That's why it's portable. It is so better to use Java than C in the market. You don't think that? And it is designed for building object-oriented application. It is multi-thread language with automatic memory management and facilitates distributed computing and its network entry.
So all statement should be written in a small case letter.
Yeah. You can, the dependency applications of Java, right? If you say Android apps, enterprise software, ID that I said. What is the full form ID? You know, what is the full form of ID? Integrated Development Environment. That's called ID, Integrated Development Environment. You can note it. It is also used for scientific computing applications, big data analysis, and it is used for server-side technologies like Apache Tomcat, Glassfish, JBoss that I told you. Okay, so now come to the. Can anyone share your screen and so I can guide them that how to install the Eclipse IDE? I always prefer to say to practice the Java program in the Eclipse IDE, so you can understand better and it's very easy to use, easy to handle. It's easy for you. Okay, so anyone share your screen?
I shared a screen.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, so first of all, you can go to any browser.
Yes, sir.
You first of all go to browser.
1 minute, sir. So go on to a browser. Yes, sir.
And there you type Eclipse ID download.
Eclipse IDE
Download.
download. The first one.
Yeah. Better, no, you Eclipse installer 202203.
203.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you see the Windows,
Yes, sir.
64-bit, 86.
Yeah, Windows 86 and 64.
Yeah, you can download. I think it will start automatically.
Yes, it has been started. It is of 113 MB, 113 MB.
Yeah. Oh, later.
Yes, sir.
After downloading, I will show you how to install.
Yes, it's downloading.
Basically, it will take time because it is big file, 113 MB.
Yes, the speed is slow.
No problem. Let it down.
Let's take 5 minutes to download.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I have installed my computer Intel is idea. Is it for Java program also? Learning Java or make applications with that?
No, I better to say use Eclipse ID because all the companies and organizations prefer the Eclipse ID, right?
Okay.
So I better you can do this, but you also use Eclipse ID.
Okay.
Don't delete it. You can keep it.
Okay.
There are many IDEs are there. So Eclipse and it's a NetBeans ID even the hardware.
So it has been downloaded.
Then then go to that sign, that upper sign. Then go to that upper sign. I mean exe that dot extension file. Go to the upper side. Yeah, that's it. Then showing folder.
So I can't see anything. It's not been open now. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, then
It's not responding, sir.
okay, let it. I think.
So it has opened. So you can see it.
Yeah. Yeah, the main option is ID for Java developers, enterprise Java and application.
Second one.
Yeah, you can go for second one. Eclipse ID for enterprise Java and application.
Install now.
Yeah. Better to say if you change anything, I mean the installation path or something.
So
I better to say don't use the C folder. If you format your laptop or something, then the C folder will.
yeah. So I have to change it. So I'm installing in D folder. It doesn't show on your
Take some time and let it. No, in the end moment it will take time.
Yes, sir.
In the end moment it will take time.
Yeah, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please tell us the name of the site again?
I can come. I can come individually, so you can get it. Individual machine has so many problems. So let it. You can see that. Yes.
So it's taking a time a lot.
Yeah, it will take time. We can give. After the installation, you can write the L1 program that I showed you in that ID, and let's say it is properly working or not. If it is showing the output, then it's fine. Otherwise, we have to check the any problem first.
This is Apple Maximum, and this one is running the 10
Okay, you can stop the screen share after installing. You can share the screen. Okay. Hello, students.
Sir, doing so.
It comes to the another place. After installing, you inform. Okay, let it install. Okay. Okay, who says that? Okay, Urpita, have you completed the installation? So you can now share your screen.
Sir, actually, I joined the class from my phone.
Okay, can you design the class with laptop or any other?
Sir, next day I will show you, but today you can just tell me the name. I will install it.
See the name is Eclipse ID. You can start and install.
Mine are installed. But
Akash, okay, let's share it.
to my computer screen, sir, I am doing my. I'm on mobile. I can show you with camera. Yeah.
Okay, you can join with laptop today. Can you join with laptop?
No, sir, I'm in desktop, sir.
Desktop.
Yeah, I have desktop.
Okay, no problem. You can share your screen.
Is it showing?
You already installed it, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so launch this.
Should I stop? Sir?
Yeah, you can stop.
Okay.
Okay, Ayush,
And
can
mine
you
is
share
taking a lot of.
And of all the systems I've ever had in this meeting,
So why it is taking a lot of time to install?
yeah, it will. While I am installing in my machine, it will take a lot of time.
Yes, sir.
It will happen. Just,
Okay, sir.
okay, so next, Ayush, can share your screen.
Sir, I am in mobile phone.
Okay, can you visual with laptop?
Sir, actually, I am in out of station and my laptop is not with me.
Okay. Okay. Okay, next, Vinita, can you share your screen?
Sir,
Sir, I
I
have
can
the
share my
same
screen.
problem actually.
Okay.
Sir, I haven't have my laptop with me right now.
Okay, Uday, what will you say?
Sir, I can share my screen, but it's downloading, but that's it.
Let's share.
Okay, sir.
Let's check once. And let it down.
Sir, I am out of session 2. Actually, that's the problem. I am using my mobile slots to download it.
You allow them. Not in that website. Yeah, open folder, and I better say if you cut the folder, cut that extension file. First of all, cut it.
Got it, actually.
Yes.
So then,
Control X, cut it.
yes, got it. Then why to paste?
Then you go your any drive as you like.
Yes, sir, I have full guys.
Yeah, okay. You want to paste it here? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir,
you
it's not.
here you can create one folder, and then you write here this is global folder. This is global folder.
That's all focus.
Whatever the document you can store in here.
Okay, sir.
Here you can paste the instruction.
So I think it's actually a zip file.
So you have to unzip it.
Yes, I already unzipped it. It's created a folder like this.
It is zip file. I think you download the wrong file.
So
Because Suraj downloaded the instruction file directly.
I got this one. Get it ID 2002 and this one, sir.
Yeah. And then Windows 64-bit. No, not that one. Yeah.
And,
I have written the steps behind in the chat box.
Yeah, you can also follow that chat box. Eclipse ID download.
So this one,
No, no. You write Eclipse ID download.
I did download it.
Then this one, yeah, not this one. Then Windows.
Oh,
then
yes, I've done it wrong. So yes, I've done it there, yes.
You can download it from here. That's the issue. There you go.
Installation has been completed. I can launch it. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my installation has been completed. Can I launch it?
Okay, let us finish. Then I will come. So you paste the installation file to the in that folder. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And not keep that folder in the C because when you in your laptop have any problem, and if you working with any project or something, then it will be very difficult. First of all, if your laptop will
Yes,
format,
sir.
then the C drive will
So actually, I already formatted once to install SSD. And moreover, I consider the C drive that's actually most of the things are already linked with that. The environment variables are all set up with C drive only. So it will be more helpful for me to if I keep the files on in C drive, that will detect Java easily. Because in other cases, when I remove in other drive, it shows some issues that Java is not detected or the project cannot be created like nicely.
Yeah, that problem.
Yes, sir. That's why I keep it because this will not be an issue because I already changed my hard drive to SSD. So it will be.
Okay, is the path correct?
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let install. You can stop the share and students, you can
Yes.
share the screen.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing my screen. So it's visible.
Okay, create a new Java web project.
Web project. Right, man.
You can do any project or better to no, you can proceed.
Proceed.
Yeah, proceed.
Cancel.
Yeah, that's the concept. Okay, you can go to the file. You can go to
Yes,
file.
a new.
Then create one project.
Yes, new to project. Maven project.
No.
Only project.
Normal project. Java project. Next. Give any project name as you like.
PCS global.
Yeah, whatever.
So next row finish.
And then no dot. If you come to the module.
Which one, sir? Module.
The uncheck. Yeah. We don't need that.
Okay, so next, no?
Yeah, next. You should build that.
Yes, so,
Yeah, you can say you can say finish.
So I can go to the project.
What is the environment you select?
Yeah, finish.
Java AC17.
Java is no, I think Suraj has Java is 14. So that is the
14.
not. So that is the not issue. Whatever
Okay.
your
I
version
don't
is.
know in this.
No. Yeah, right click on that. If you see the project structure, go to the SRC file. SRC. That is called source folder. Actually, SRC means source. Then go to the. Then you can expand that file. Expand. Yeah. Then go to the GRE library. No. Sorry.
Yes,
Go to GRE system library. Expand that. You see here so many when you build that project. So many. So if I say Java so there's a configuration file, JDK file. Without JDK, you cannot handle it.
Yes,
Okay, so if you right click on that PCS global, then you go to the new. Then you create. Give any.
Any name, sir.
Yeah. Whatever. Package name, better to say the com dot, you can say that com dot. Right, com
dot.
PCS global.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Com dot PCS global dot whatever you say, in Java or Java factories or Java training, anything.
Okay, sir. Create the package, no?
Dot, no, you have to don't use that. Java training, you don't space. In Java, between Java and training, you don't give space. Better to say slash or underscore.
And PCS global, there is a space in between PCS global.
Yeah. Don't give any space. Then finish.
Sir, generate comments, no?
No, don't give that.
Don't give them. Create package info only.
Yes. Finish. Your package is already. Then go to the package. No, not there. You already created that package, the Java training. Where the SRC folder. Yeah. Scroll. what
Sir, where it is and gone.
and open that file extension.
File.
I think you hide it. Open the file expansion that
Recent files, no?
no, that not.
Which, sir?
Go to the next. Go to that. Okay, give me the control. Give me the control.
Yes, sir. Remote control. Sir, I've given you the control.
Find out the option. See that option come.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, do I have to, I mean, there is a check mark, create module info.java file.
No, not check.
Okay, okay.
You can see that file expansion option. What will it go?
So where it is gone.
You can also write that code. No matter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you write.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you write public. Public class. First of all, I just check whether the ID is working or not.
So you told that time SY SO, no?
And control space.
What, sir?
Control space.
Control space. It's not showing anything, sir.
You just you keep that capital letter. Yes, first. Yes. Yeah. Then write anything in that first part.
Yes, sir.
Convert it. Yeah, write it.
the return. Can I run it?
First of all, you have to, if you write hello world 1, then if you have to capital the H letter, capitalize it. The class name is always the capital. If you write public class, the second line.
Okay. This one's though.
No, upper one.
Public class.
Yeah. Not that. Hello world H.
H. Yeah. That. Okay, sir.
And in the hello world, you can give it, should not give any space. What are the error term? You can show it. No, the error term.
Error not showing errors. One file, sir. Let's try this.
Okay, you rename file.
Done.
Yeah. Now save it. First of all, save it. Control S. Yeah, it is perfectly working. Okay, so stop the share.
Stop sharing.
Yeah, you can stop the share. It is perfectly working.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Akash. Let's share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
I'm
write,
on desktop also.
okay, write the statement system dot and println. I think you talk is right. Okay, Udan, what is it?
Sir, one option is showing create module / info.java.
No, you don't uncheck. It will share your screen.
Yes, sir, obviously.
You don't create. No, it's simple. Then go to the pieces global. Then right click on the pieces global.
Yes.
These are your JID system library files.
Sir, yeah.
No, go on the pieces, right click on that. Right click on that and go to new. Go to new, yeah.
New project.
New package. You already created that project. Now go to package.
Yes, sir.
Give it. Better to say give the package name com.pieces global dot anything. Don't. Yeah, or clear that. And then go to the package. Then right click on that package. Then right click on that
Sir.
package.
Okay,
No,
sir.
not that, not that. Can
This one.
yes, yes. Then new, then class.
New.
Then class. Give any. Don't care. Don't.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
So my network, but that's why I checked out.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I will come.
Okay.
So is it okay?
You better to say capitalize the H.
H, okay, sir. As well as W?
Yeah, H is capital. Okay, then.
Sir, I can capitalize or it is okay for world?
It is okay.
Okay, sir.
You can.
Then
You can check the public static void when the window. You can check that the public static void when string up.
Public static, okay, sir.
Then finish. Yeah, you can now print any statement. Then delete that line. Auto generated message stuff. You can delete that.
Okay, sir.
Control space.
Spaces, so no default protocols.
Capital. SYSO as capital.
Sys out. Sys out. That one. SYSO.
S
O.
first letter will be capital.
Then control space.
First letter will be capital.
Yeah. After that. And then control space. No, no. No, no. Not that. Yeah. Now control space. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now write it. Okay, then save it. Control S. Okay, thanks. Now run that. Now go to that. Project. Yeah.
Package.
Or you can go to that class. Hello. Yeah. Right click on it. Then go to the run option. Run as. And Java application.
Java application.
Yeah. Department.
Pardon once.
Yeah. Okay. You can stop the share and.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Akash. What is your problem? Yeah. It will print, right? In that console. Yeah, no recent launches. Unable to launch. Why what is your console area? I think the installation has some problem. Okay, Trisha, Shivani, you all guys are able to install or I'm facing a problem. Vinita,
So right now I don't have my laptop. So
okay. Vinita, Anjali Kumari, you also joined from mobile or laptop? No, Anjali. Anjali, can you get then come to Vinita. Vinita, have you facing problem of installation? Hello, Vinita. Okay, then Karan.
Hello.
Yeah, have you face any problem? So you can share the screen.
Sharing screen, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, share the screen.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, screen is presentable.
No, not till now.
Okay, sir.
You have to share the screen. Yeah, now it is. Okay, so it is perfectly running. Yes. Yeah. Hello, friends. My name is Karan. Okay, that's perfectly okay. You can stop this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next come to Megha. Have you facing problem? Hello, Megha. Nikita, come to next.
Yes, sir.
Have you facing problem or instruction?
No, sir.
Okay, can you share the screen and then just check it once? Can you share the screen? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, can you share the screen?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. So can you see?
No, not till now. You have to share the screen. Look, is the button called share screen,
Yes, I know.
and then go to that. Yeah, share screen.
So can you see?
Yeah, now fine. Then go to that. Go to that file. Go to the file.
Hello.
Yeah. Go to the file. Not that, not that. The upper file. The left side corner. Yeah, yeah. Then you go create the project, and then create Java project. Then create next. Yeah, give any name as a. Then uncheck the module info or Java. Uncheck it. In the below. Below.
Hello.
In that
Sir, your
module.
voice is not clear.
Yeah, in the
In the last option, there is a module, no? Uncheck
Yes,
that
yes,
create
yes.
module.
Uncheck it. Then go to next. No. Then go to PCS global and right click on it. Go to PCS global, right click on it. Right click on it.
They're asking for right click on PCS Global.
Yeah, you go to PCS global, that project that you already created. Yeah, right click on it.
Right click on the PCS global.
In
This
mouse,
one.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right click, right? Not the left click.
Right click. Oh no, cancel it. Right click on the PCS global. Yeah, right click.
One minute.
I think you already created that. Okay, no problem. Then go to the file, Go to the file. Then create one project, then package.
Hello.
Yeah, then create, then go to the package.
Go to the package.
Package.
Which one?
Oh, not the new one. It's in the open file.
Click on open file.
इधर से नहीं.
You have.
You created that.
Sir, your voice is not clear. I cannot hear anything.
Oh, what you have created the package, go to that package. Sir, can you take the control and do it?
Okay, I send you the request.
Nikita, share your control to the server.
विंडोज में जाओ, विंडोज में इसको कैंसिल कर दो। हाँ ठीक है, यहाँ से भी हो सकता है।
Why is that expression 5?
So view.
Seventh option, sir.
Yeah, exactly. It is. That's
Now right click on the PCS global.
Package.
Yeah, sorry, package. Sir, you're operating or what?
Yeah.
Sir is operating.
No.
Save it and then run it. You can right click here. And hopefully it's perfectly fine. Okay, Rita, I can stop the share and give up the control. Okay, and anyone facing problem? Priya, Shangita, Sanjay, Shivani.
Sir, basically, I
It's
don't
taking
have
too long to
laptop with
install.
me right now, but I have noted all the processes.
So I will install it very soon.
So it's taking too long time to install.
Yeah, it will take time.
So same problem with me. I don't have my laptop right now.
Okay, if you have the laptop, then later you can install it.
Yes.
Okay, so what about Shovik lab? You install it?
Yes, sir. Done.
And Wasim?
Sir, showing my screen.
Yeah, yes. Hey, it's perfectly working. Okay, you can start this. Okay, so Vasi, what about you? Vasi, what about you? Have you done the installation?
Yes, sir.
And Anjali, have you done?
So right now I don't have my laptop.
And Vinita?
Sir, I have the same problem.
Okay. And Raj?
Yes, sir.
Have you done that?
No, sir, I have a problem on.
Problem on installation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's share your screen.
Sir, I've downloaded the Eclipse. I have problem on the steps.
Okay, let's share this. Share this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, give me a call.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a question if you don't mind.
Yes.
Sir, what is our class ending time?
Class ending time is basically 9.
9:30.
9.
Okay, sir.
So today I don't have laptop. I can install in next class.
Okay, the video is recording. You can also go to the record and then the record is sharing in your WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir.
So my installation is done. Shall I launch it?
Yeah, I can launch it. Stop the share and I give up the control. And now Raj, you stop the share.
Okay, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir.
Okay, who has then completed the installation? So those who have not laptop right now, those who can go to the video and steps and then you can download. And if any problem occurs, then you can ping me in the WhatsApp, in the main WhatsApp group if you face any problem. Okay, go to the file. Go to media. Not JPA project. Go to normal project. Normal project, not JPA. JPA means Java persistence API. That is the difference. Then Java. Then next. Give the name.
So finish.
Yeah, finish. Yeah, wait. Yeah, wait.
Open.
Yeah. And then go to that expansion.
Where, sir?
If you see the welcome bar, the left side of the welcome.
Yes, sir.
The left side of the welcome. Then go to that PCS glue one, right click on it. Then create the package. Go to the PCS glue one and right click on it. Yeah, then go to package.
Class.
You create the package, right? No, you don't create the package. Go to the package. Up on the class, on the class. Up on the class. No, not that, not okay. Let me come to it. Perfectly fine. So you can stop this. Okay, so up to now, if you face any problem, then you can ping in the WhatsApp group. If you face any kind of problem, not any technical problem, if you have any HR related problem, you can ping in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay, so anyone has any problem? And if you don't have any laptop right now, then bring the laptop and you can install it. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So good night.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Yes,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Sir, when
sir.
will be the next session? Hello, sir?
Thank you, sir.
In the WhatsApp group, we will in the WhatsApp.
Okay, okay. Okay.
হ্যালো স্যার
Okay.
Yes.
হ্যাঁ স্যার পিপিটিটা শেয়ার করা যাবে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ
PPT share করা যাবে না। That's the conference. You can
Okay,
go to
sir.
the you can go to the video, right? You can go to the video to WhatsApp.
ওকে স্যার
Okay, sir.
The class timing is same every day.
Not till right now. Okay, we can you can follow the WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, you will
Okay, thank you, sir.
you will look.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার
Okay, sir. Okay,
sir.
No, Anish? Okay, let Anish stop the recording.